Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of square root of I plus square root of negative I. Here, I is an imaginary number, that is I is equal to square root of negative 1. Consider the value of this square root of I plus square root of negative I. This is x. So, square root of I plus square root of negative I considered as x. We have to find the value of this x. Now taking a square to the both side, we can write square root of I plus square root of negative I, and this square is equal to right side is x square. We have taken this square to both sides. Or now applying formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. So applying this formula, we can write a square root of I and whole square. This as a square plus 2 times ab. That means a square root of I times this square root of negative I plus this square root of negative I and whole square, and right side this is x square. Or this square root and this square will cancel and it will remain I plus this 2 and square root of I times square root of negative I. Applying this formula, square root of a times square root of b is equal to square root of a times b. Now applying this here, we can write times square root of this I times this negative I, plus here this square root and square will cancel and it will be negative I. So negative I is equal to right side is x square. Or this I plus this 2 times this square root of this negative, and I times I is I square, and this plus times minus I is minus I, is equal to right side is x square, and this I and this negative I will cancel out and it will remain this 2 times square root of this negative times the value of I square is negative 1, because I is equal to a square root of negative 1, and taking a square to both sides, we will get I square is negative 1. So substituting this, it will be negative 1 is equal to right side is x square. Or this left side 2 times square root of this negative times negative 1, this is positive 1, is equal to x square. Now this square root of 1, this is 1, so left side is 2 times 1 is equal to right side, this is x square. Or 2 times 1, this is 2, is equal to right side x square. Or taking square root to both sides, we will get plus or minus this square root over 2 is equal to right side is x. and we have x is equal to square root of I plus square root of negative I, and we found x is equal to plus or minus square root over 2. So substituting this x, we'll get plus or minus square root over 2, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.